Welcome to INSPIRE EDUCARE. In today's lecture, we will be covering the topic Operators in C++. What are operators? Operator represents an action. I have taken two variables a and b and I want to perform the operation addition onto them. And I have used the symbol plus. That symbol is known as operator and it represents the operation addition. The variables on which I am performing the operation are known as operands. In this example, a and b are operands, operation is addition, and operator is the plus symbol. Operators are classified into three main types: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. In unary operator, I will be performing the operation only on a single operand. In binary, there will be two operands. In ternary, there will be three operands. Binary operators are further classified into five types: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, and assignment. There are two types of unary operator, increment and decrement. Increment is represented by double plus and decrement is represented by double minus. Increment operator increases the value by 1. In our example, the initial value of x was 6. I used the increment operator and finally the output came as 7. It is further classified into two types, pre-increment and post-increment. In pre-increment, first the value is increased by 1 and then the variable is used. In post-increment, first the variable is used and then the value is incremented by 1. In pre-increment, the initial value was 6. What happened is, when we printed this value, तो वो value change होकर पहले 7 हुई, then it printed and we got the output as 7. In post increment, the initial value was 6. Then we printed it. As I told you earlier, first we will use the variable, then we will increase the value by 1. And this is the reason we got 6 in output. Then value got increased by 1, it became 7. And when second time we printed x, we got 7 in our output. In decrement operator, the value is decreased by 1. Initial value of x was 5 and I used decrement operator and finally I got the output as 4. It is further classified into pre-decrement and post-decrement. As I already discussed both of them in increment operators also, so I guess it's clear. Next comes arithmetic operators. They represent simple mathematical calculations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Out of these five, 4 are very common that you have always used in your daily life. But what is this modulus? Modulus represents remainder. In our example, 5 modulus 2. It's returning 1. That is remainder. Now comes associativity and precedence. Associativity means the order of performing the calculation, and precedence means priority. So the associativity is from left to right, and precedence order of modulus star division is 1 and precedence order of minus and plus is 2. You can see an expression on your screen. Now the question arises, modulus and multiplication both have same precedence. So which one will you calculate first? So here we are going to use the associativity factor. 3 modulus 5 will be calculated at first place. 6 multiplication 2 will be calculated at second place. And then we are left with 3 plus 12 minus 7. So again 3 plus 12 will be calculated first and 15 minus 7 will be calculated. And last we have got the answer, that is 8. Logical operators are mainly used in conditional statements. We have got 3 logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Let's check out the first example. Is 5 smaller than 2? False. Is 5 greater than 3? True. True and false. The result will be false. In second example, is 5 smaller than 2? False. Is 5 greater than 3? True. Result of true or false will be true. In third example, is 5 smaller than 2? False. And not of false is true. Relational operators are used for comparisons. For all the examples below, consider a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. Is 10 greater than 5? True. Is 10 greater than or equal to 5? True. Is 10 smaller than 5? False. Is 10 smaller than or equal to 5? Again false. Is 10 equal to 5? False. Is 10 not equal to 5? Yes, it's true. Bitwise operators, they work on binary numbers. We have two numbers 11 and 22. They will be converted into binary form first. अब bitwise and क्या करेगा, दोनों नंबर के corresponding digits को compare करेगा. If both the digits are equal, then 1 will be generated, otherwise 0 will be generated. In our example, after performing the calculation, we have got a number in binary form. Then computer will convert this number into decimal form and it will return that number to us. Bitwise OR will compare the corresponding bits of both the numbers. If either bit is 1, it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. Bitwise OR will generate 1 if the corresponding bits are not equal, otherwise it will return 0. Bitwise complement will convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Right shift will shift the bits to the right. हमारे एग्जाम्पल में मैंने नंबर 1 को 2 बिट से राइट शिफ्ट किया. राइट शिफ्ट करने के बाद जो राइट मोस्ट बिट्स थे 2 वो डिस्कार्ड हो गए. अब मुझे लेफ़्ट साइड पे 2 ब्लैंक स्पेसेस मिल गई. मुझे वो फिल करनी है, सो आई विल फिल दैट by using 0. Left shift operator moves bits to the left. In our example, मैंने number 1 को 2 bits से left shift किया. What happened is, जो leftmost 2 bits थे वो discard हो गए. I got 2 blank spaces at right end. So मैंने उन blank spaces को fill कर दिया 0 से. Assignment operators are used to assign some values to the variables. M plus equal to 10. It is equivalent to M equals to M plus 10. Very simple examples I have taken in this video. Just pause the video for a while and check them out. So the last topic of this video is ternary operator, also known as conditional operator. Value of x is 5, value of y is 6. I have taken another variable a in which I am storing the result. So क्या x y से बड़ा है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. अगर x y से बड़ा है तो my result will be 4, otherwise it will be 6. In this example, is x greater than y? Answer is false. So the value 6 will be stored in a and we will get the output as 6. So this is the final precedence and associativity table on your screen. This is something you need to focus on, and this is something that you need to remember because it's very important when you perform calculations. Before ending this video, I have a small task for you. Can we use modulus operator on float data type? The answer is no. Just pause the video, try and check out why. Thank you for watching the video. Hope everything was clear. See you in my next lecture.